Hello friends, our discussion is going on. Poem You Start Dying Slowly from unit number 2. Today we are going to discuss on a topic appreciation of the poem that carries 5 marks and it occurs in question number 3b. So, for making the answer of this question, 5 points are important, and that are: first one, title of the poem; second one, name of the poet; third one, rhyme scheme; second last, that means fourth one, figure of speech; and the last one, theme or central idea of the poem. सो विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आपण आज ॲप्रिसिएशन ऑफ द पोयम हा क्वेश्चन नंबर 3b मध्ये विचारला जाणारा प्रश्न तर तो बघणार आहोत. या प्रश्नाचं उत्तर तयार करत असताना 5 मुद्द्यांना अनुसरून आपलं आन्सर त्या ठिकाणी तयार करावं लागतं. त्याच्यातला फर्स्ट वन जो आहे तो आहे टायटल ऑफ द पोयम. दुसरा, सेकंड, नेम ऑफ द पोएट. थर्ड वन, राईम स्कीम. चौथा आहे फिगर ऑफ स्पीच. अँड लास्ट म्हणजे शेवटचा आहे थीम किंवा सेंट्रल आयडिया of the poem. Now we take an example of poem You Start Dying Slowly. So our first point for making appreciation is title. Can you tell me what is the title? Yes, absolutely correct. Title is You Start Dying Slowly. Okay, we move to the second point, the name of the poet. What is the name? Pablo Neruda. Nice, बरोबर. Name of the poet is Pablo Neruda. Okay, next point is rhyme scheme. If we look at the poem is in the form of a free verse. It is written in a free verse style. That means the poem has no rhyme scheme. Next point is figure of speech. There are 3 figure of speech appears in the poem, and that are apostrophe, second one repetition, and the last one antithesis. You may write the name of any one. Next point is that theme or central idea. The theme of the poem in short is like life must flow and renew itself at every moment of its being. We live fully only when we enrich ourselves with new knowledge, wide experience, fresh emotions, daring encounters, and exciting challenges. If we settle for a life that is stagnant, repetitive, or conventional, we start dying slowly instead of living the life fully. So, In this way, we make appreciation of the poem. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, थीम किंवा सेंट्रल आयडिया लिहित असताना कवितेतून कवी कुठल्या प्रकारचा मेसेज आम्हाला देऊ इच्छितात, कोणती गोष्ट त्यांनी एम्फसिस केलेली आहे, कोणत्या गोष्टीला कवितेमध्ये महत्त्व दिलेलं आहे, हे आम्हाला थीम किंवा सेंट्रल आयडिया लिहित असताना त्यात नमूद करायचं आहे. I hope you understand it properly. Thank you.